Next is press release. Next type of submission. Once every month with news. Okay. Don't do the press release for the sake of creating backlinks. Do it when you have a news. Like in this COVID-19, we have taken our business offline to online as well. This is a news. Okay. Like we added this product. This is a news. We added this bank into our portfolio. This is a news. We have tied up with, let's say, 30 more people. This is a news. We have acquired 500 customers. This is a news. Okay. All these are not huge news, but at least they are worth to make a press release. Okay. So you have to try to create one press release every month with a news and submit that one press release at least in 4 to 5 directories. Okay. What should be the structure of a press release is title, place and time, then a summary paragraph, what this whole news is all about, then 2 to 4 paragraphs explaining in detail about it, and then end the paragraph about the company, and it should be hyperlinked to your main website or any specific page where you are talking about that particular news. Okay, contact info and everything should be in passive voice in recent past. Okay, it should not be 10 years ago you did something and you are doing a press release. If you want that somebody should do it on your behalf, you can ask people to on Fiverr.com. But if you want to do it over here on your own, you have to get the PR from press release written by either content writer or you write it. Okay, and then after that, there are various websites on which you can submit like PR log, what is in top of my mind. Okay, right now, if you want to submit, you can submit it. Again, the guidelines are very strict over here in terms of content. If you write just irrelevant content or not up to the mark, then your content will be rejected. For example, this is a press release, like the format I have said, title or headline written by whoever it is, then location and date, then opening paragraph, which will be a summary, then 2 to 4 paragraphs depend. Okay, and then in the end, for more information, visit whatever your website is and the whole title about it, and then about the speaker and your contact. And over here also some info is there and other info is there. Okay, this info is coming from your bio, which you have updated when you're creating your account, and this is when you are writing an article. So you have to give your author bio at both the places. Okay, this is how it is done. Again, the process is very strict over here, and how to submit it is very simple. Go, and they also have option of free, paid. Okay, and for that you have to create an account and submit it. Okay, they have different models as well. If you take it free, then it will be distributed to only search engines which we want, RSS feed hosted to on PR log and these things. When you take their paid package, then they can distribute it to other press releases, newspapers, 280 plus syndications on news website. Okay, syndication to PR news network and other news network site, then distributed to Google News. Okay, then distribute to Google Finance and Google, Yahoo News, and then 8,000 subscribers only. Okay, then RSS distributor and rest. Okay, It depends upon which one you take. Okay. Generally, people do the free one if they have something big. They generally take $49 because in most you get Google News, Yahoo News also. Okay, kind of that. So you take that package most people. Okay. Or you can go on Fiverr.com. What Fiverr.com does is you will get people to do submissions so that you don't have to create accounts and submit it. Okay. Okay. What I have written? Why it is showing me video submission? Oh my God. Okay. Here you get like, so there are various vendors over here. Okay. And if you created account on this, and you can also become an vendor to do this as a freelance. Okay. So you will get 1500 rupees. I will manually submit PR in 150 high PR article submission sites. Okay. So he must be having packages on plus Google News and then 20 high PR site and Google News. So whichever you want, you can take the packages. So there are various vendors. You can become one of the vendors to get it. Okay, like this. It can submit it to Yahoo, Bloomberg. Okay, and she has different packages. 10 PR Bloomberg plus 10 sites. This is huge. Bloomberg doesn't take any PR easily. 31,000, 9,000, like that. Okay. So that depends upon you whether you want to do it manually on your own, go and submit it, or you can because every site manual submission is not allowed. Means that everywhere you can't go and submit. Like for Yahoo, Google News, an individual can't go and submit it. Okay, but these directories have the access to do it so that they can do it. Okay, or if you start doing 20, 30 press release every month as an individual, as an SEO person, then you will get that option of doing it on Google News. Okay, that is how it is done. Is it clear? Any doubt, any question, anything you would like to ask? If it is clear and there is no doubt, press one into the chat box.